If voting is such a basic American right, then why do we so often get it wrong? Long lines and ineffective technology can make for slow and questionable returns. Even the newest machines can present a new set of problems that, in the worst-case scenario, can lead to voter fraud and stolen elections.
You have chosen English as your language. Please remember that the parties and candidates are color-coded for easy reference.
And that's what separates image-based systems from the rest of the pack. Highly secure, simple, and image-driven, these voting machines leave the rest hanging, like a paper Chad.
There's no paper involved except for the verification trail, so you can't have voter fraud by someone changing those numbers because it's enclosed in the machine and it's protected from fraud.
The image-based system is currently under review for certification in the United States.
And if it's like anything in the past, there could be some challenges when that final vote comes in. But
a local man wants to change that and claims that he has revolutionized casting a ballot. CBS 46's Christopher King has more on an effort to make every vote count. It's a story you'll only see on CBS 46.
You have just voted no for proposition number 1.
The future of voting, or one more round in the furor over whether each ballot counts. Roger Perez, chairman and CEO of IBS Systems, claims his new voting machine could solve some of the big questions computerized voting often raises. In a world in which hackers can crack a system, how can you tell if your vote actually registers?
On my system, you are counting the ballot versus digital number.
Perez tells us many computerized voting systems simply tally digital code, zeros and ones. But Perez says his IBS machine actually counts the ballot. For starters, the IBS system uses electronic identification, which allow voters to simply swipe their cards like they would at an ATM.
This voter registration card has already been used to vote.
Pick up English.
Then it incorporates a 42-inch touchscreen on which a voter simply presses on the name of the candidate or a ballot initiative.
Even after he casts his ballot, the program will ask him again, are you sure this is what you really want? At that point, you could still cancel it.
Perez insists his system is heavily encoded and hacker-proof. And a key difference between the IBS machines and some of the computer voting systems at the center of recent election controversies. Perez claims his system leaves a traceable paper trail, ensuring, he says, that every vote counts.